वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं सावधीन आनी भलायकेन. टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल mutton. So mutton curry, which is the dish name is red mutton. Okay, red mutton curry, tamdo mutton kodi. Okay, so what you need for this recipe is I have taken 750 grams of mutton. Okay, then this is 3/4 cup of cashew nuts. Measurement cup you use Amazon or whatever your measurements. Then this is 1 whole pod of garlic, 3 tomatoes and 1 onion. So if you want you can add 1 more extra tomato. 1 minute. So 4 tomatoes because the onion is big. Now if you have a smaller onion then you can use only 3 tomatoes. Then here is 6 Kashmiri red chili, and this onion is to fry it till golden brown, like make a barista, crispy golden brown. Okay, then we need ginger garlic paste, few masalas, and I'll show you now. So what you have to do, make a paste out of this all. You don't need to add water also, because when you cut tomatoes then tomato is liquidy way. So this also you don't have to finely chop, you have to just chop it in fat thing, and then you can grind this to a fine paste. Even this, if you don't have time, then just smash it and take out the top part and grind it. तर हे जावन आसा आमचे तांबड्या मटनाची कोडयेचो मसालो, जो आमकां वांटूंक जाय. ह्यो वांटून घेवंक जाय. 4 टमाटां, जर तर कांदो तुमचो व्हडलो आहा जाल्यार. हे जावन आसा आमचे काजू बियो, हे 3/4 कप, 1 ही लसणीची बोई आनी 6 कश्मीरी चिली. एका आमकां पेस्ट करून घेवंक जाय. आनी एका बारीक शिनून लांबोडो, तेजो बरें हें बारिस्ता बारीक सारको ब्रावन डार्क ब्रावन भाजूंक जाय. Now let's marinate this with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, then we need half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of mutton meat masala for this, and salt to taste. Now if you want more spicy, then you add more masala this to this. We'll add salt to taste. And I am adding 3/4 cup of buttermilk. So buttermilk is like I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd and added water, and it's like this. Okay, if you want to add directly curd then you can add, but I am adding like this. Now let's marinate this nicely and leave it for overnight or for 2 hours minimum. Okay, So we'll take 3 tablespoons of oil to fry our onion. Once the oil is hot, we'll add our onion and let this fry till it's golden brown, like barista, what we put for our biryani and all. So how to make barista onions is take one onion and finely slice this onion and fry it till golden brown. And see, it takes time. So if you make it in larger quantity and keep this, it is very handful. Like whenever you want to make a lot of dishes out of this fried onions. So if you have time, then you can make of 1 kg and keep. Then you can use for biryanis and curries and all. And here our fried onions are ready. Now we can remove this and keep aside. In this oil we'll add some curry leaves. Okay, how much you want? I like more curry leaves to give flavor. Then we'll add 1 cinnamon stick and 1 star anise. And we'll fry this. Now we'll add our marinated mutton to this. And fry this nicely. High flame. Now we'll add half onion to this and half we'll keep for garnishing. And mix this. Mix this nicely. So the onion flavors go, and our masala paste which we had to grind, that is also ready. So now we will add to this and we will leave this. So I am not cooking this in pressure cooker. This will be cooked with this only. It will take time, like 20 to 30 minutes. But let the flavors go nicely into this. And this is our masala which I have grounded, tomatoes, cashew nuts and Kashmiri red chili. So we'll add this now to this. Let's mix this nicely. Now if you want to add more Kashmiri chilies, yes you can add, but it will become little bit of spiciness because the chicken masala and one garlic is also there, that is mutton meat masala, and garlic is also there, so you have to take care of that. Then ginger garlic paste is also there, so you can see how much you want to add masala according to your spiciness. More meat masala, then you can add more meat masala. Okay, more Kashmiri chili, then more Kashmiri chilies. We'll add 1 cup of water to this and cover and cook. Very little water needed. That is cashew nut paste. You can grind together separately. Very little water. Salt you can check accordingly, and then so now we'll cover this and we'll cook this till it is cooked nicely. Once the oil starts leaving and the mutton is cooked, means it is done. And here our red mutton is ready. Okay. We'll garnish it with onions and some coriander leaves. Hope you are going to enjoy this. Now if you want this to be semi-dry without gravy, less gravy, then cook it open pan. But if you want it to have it with rice and bread and chapati or naan, then this gravy is perfect for our mutton. Red mutton. होप यू विल ऑल एन्जॉय. मानता तुमकां हें सगल्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं बरे भाशेन. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमकां. थँक्यू. Here is our red mutton curry ready. Now we'll garnish it with fried onions and some coriander leaves. And here is little bit of pudina. Enjoy this. मानता तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. तांबडे मटन कोळी. तांबडी मटनाची कोळी.